Today, I'm going to show you how to add effects and filters in DaVinci Resolve. This is a great way to enhance your video projects and give them a more professional, polished look with creative visual elements. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and make sure your project is loaded. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs for different sections of the software. Click on Edit to enter the editing workspace. This is where you'll be working with your timeline and applying various enhancements to your clips. Now, direct your attention to the top of the interface and click on Effects. This opens up the Effects library, which is packed with tools to transform your footage. The Effects panel will appear on the left side of your screen, giving you access to a wide range of creative options. Let's start by adding an effect to your clip. After clicking Effects at the top, you'll notice the Effects panel on the left side. Click on Effects again within this panel to expand the full list of available effects. Take a moment to browse through the options and see what catches your eye. For this example, let's choose an effect called Slice. Once you found it, simply click and drag it directly onto your clip in the timeline. As soon as you release it, the effect will apply automatically, and you'll see the changes reflected in your preview window. It's really that straightforward, and you can experiment with different effects to see which ones suit your project best. Next, let's move on to adding a filter, which works in a similar way but offers different types of visual adjustments. On the left side in the Effects panel, click on Resolve FX. This category contains DaVinci Resolve's built-in filters and processing tools. Under Resolve FX, click on Filters to reveal all the available filter options. Now, choose the filter you want to apply. For this example, we'll use Zoom Blur, which creates a dynamic motion blur effect that radiates from the center of your frame. Once you've located Zoom Blur, simply drag it onto your clip in the timeline, just like you did with the effect earlier. The filter will apply instantly, and you can adjust its settings in the Inspector panel if you want to fine-tune the intensity or other parameters. And that's it. You've successfully added both an effect and a filter to your clip in DaVinci Resolve. These tools give you the creative freedom to enhance your videos and make them stand out with unique visual styles. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.